Euro against US dollar this week started the week at this support level at 1.04725. We can see the price formed a bullish candle, a small one, then a bearish candle where the price did not bounce very hard and also very far from this area of support. But we can see on a Wednesday the price formed a strong bearish breakout below that support and also below 1.03981. And then after that, we can see the price has confirmed this bearish breakout as a valid one, indicating further decline in value down. But we can see on a Friday, the price formed this bullish engulfing candle, engulfing the previous day candle, and formed a bullish breakout above 1.03981. On the weekly time frame, we can see that currently we have a price in between support and the resistance level, which are a very important one. And on the monthly time frame, we currently have a bearish candle forming, where we have 1.5 week until this month close. So we'll skip this one, where the price could go. But if it stays below this area of 1.04, if the price goes below on the daily and also weekly time frame, this will indicate further decline in value, where the next support will be around 1.02. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that 1.0981 is very important support level, and on the weekly time frame, this is where the price is currently heading, trying to reach this area. So I'm expecting also on the daily time frame that the price will reach this area of resistance here, 1.04725, and we'll see will the price manage to make a bullish breakout or it will bounce back down. For now, what I can see on the higher time frame, it is indicating further decline in value. So there is a possibility that the price reaches this area of resistance, then bounce back down and making bearish breakout below 1.039, and then reaching the next levels where the price could go, and that is the first one on the daily time frame, 1.02664. So will that happen? We will watch closely, and also I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout below going down, or it will first reach this area of resistance and then from there bounce back down, or it will make a bullish breakout? This will be also monitored on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that there are some levels currently where the price is setting, where the price needs to make a bullish or bearish breakout. First of all, this one, 1.0430. 4340 is the next resistance in order to reach higher price levels, and that means around this area of supply zone, 1.04725. Let's see what happens on a Monday, but for now, on the long term, I am more bearish oriented because of this currently what we can see on the weekly and also monthly time frame, a bearish momentum active. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.